How to apply for an apprentice position at Michelin. Go to www.empsolutions.ca. Review the job ad for the apprentice positions available through the Nova Scotia Works portal under Job Postings. Send an email with your resume to the recruiter listed in the job ad and put apprentice in the subject line. The Michelin recruiter will contact you via email to discuss the next steps. If invited to meet with the recruiter, you'll be asked to complete an essential skills assessment. If you would like to practice similar types of questions, go to practice.essentialskillsgroup.com. To begin the practice questions, click on Read Instructions. Once you are done reading the instructions, click Start Assessment Now. To take the assessment, go to michelin.essentialskillsgroup.com. Click on Short Video to watch the instructional video. Once you've read the instructions and watched the video, scroll down to click on Register. Enter your information and then click Register again. When you are ready to begin the assessment, click Start Assessment Now. You will receive notification immediately on your results when you click Submit on the assessment. If you scored over 201, you have the necessary skills and are eligible to apply for the apprentice position if you have not done so already. If you did not achieve 201 as a score, you will receive links via email to free training tools to better explain the assessment topics and allow you to practice. You may try again at any time. If you find this procedure to be difficult for any reason, please contact your local Nova Scotia Works Centre at 1-866-711-0411 and we will be happy to assist you with this process.